Now it's time to visit Olde Hansa, a very famous restaurant in Tallinn, modeled like the house of the ancient rich merchants. Its cuisine gives us the feel of 1492 AD and ensures that the dining experience is truly unforgettable. Right now, we are at Olde Hansa. It is one of the most popular restaurants at Estonia, Tallinn, and the atmosphere is amazing. It kind of directly transports you to the medieval Europe. Let's see for more details. Olde Hansa offers the authentic medieval experience in the middle of Tallinn's old town. Yes, they have live music. Their troubadours play the works of the composers who worked in the 15th century on the same instruments common in the medieval times, such as the hardigadi, the fiddle, the bagpipes, and the flutes. So we go further. Let us see what we can see. It's like an old tavern. In the days from 13th to 17th century, there existed a mighty fellowship of merchants and cities known as the Hanseatic League. For over 4 centuries, this venerable league wielded great influence over commerce, trade, politics of northern Europe. In the year 1285, the town of Reval, now called Tallinn, became the northernmost stronghold of this esteemed league. Reval was a city republic ruling its own dominion and affairs. In those medieval times, the wealthy merchants held sway over the city's governance. Within the Reval's walls, there stands a great abode known as the Olde Hansa, once dwelling of the rich Hanseatic merchants. The word Olde and Hansa derives from the Old German and together means the old tribe. And yes, here you can see my salmon in mushroom sauce, a delicacy by this restaurant, an ancient recipe mixed with magical spices. Here, the cooking technique they use is also very medieval because back then, who had the time to spend the precious daylight on cooking? The pot with best food products was left to simmer slowly on low heat on a wooden stove, and when they came back, yummy food was there. Okay. And this is the salmon?
This is the salmon and the mushroom sauce,
Okay.
forest mushroom sauce, and
Wonderful.
here we have some lentils too.
Okay.
Yes. Saffron spelt,
Okay.
saffron pickles,
Okay.
smoked sauerkraut, and ginger turnip.
Okay.
And for
Great.
you, here we have as well Richard cheesecake.
I'll take it here. I'll take it here. The food and hospitality at this restaurant is awesome. The staff is really good. Now you must be wanting to know where is it exactly located. The restaurant is located in the old town west of Vanatur Market Square at the address Vanatur 1. The restaurant is located at the corner of the Vanaturu Kale Street bordering the Vanatur Square to the north. Overall, it was an amazing cultural as well as gastronomic extravaganza.